Hello students, I am Dr. Jyoti Vaingankar from PSC's RSN College of Arts and Science, Farmagudi, Goa. I am here to take a module for the program Bachelor of Science in the subject of Botany from the course Plant Tissue Culture. It is from the unit Somatic Hybridization and name of the module is Introduction to Somatic Hybridization and its Applications. In this module, you will study about the concept of somatic hybridization, steps involved in somatic hybridization, applications of somatic hybridizations, and limitations of somatic hybridization. At the end of this module, you will be able to explain the concept of somatic hybridization, list the steps involved in somatic hybridization, describe the applications of somatic hybridization, and state the limitations of somatic hybridization. In plant breeding program, sexual hybridization is an important tool to improve cultivated crops. Sexual hybridization involves artificial cross-fertilization to combine several desirable traits present in different varieties into one variety. But it is limited within a plant species or very closely related species. Many desirable combinations of characters cannot be transmitted through this method of genetic manipulations. This species barrier encounter is overcome by using another process which is called as somatic hybridization, where crossing of plants through fusion of somatic cells is carried out. Somatic hybridization can be defined as in vitro fusion of isolated protoplast to form a hybrid cell and its subsequent development to form a hybrid plant. When protoplast is placed in culture medium, it shows cell wall regeneration, cell division, and plant regeneration. Protoplasts of different species can be fused to generate a hybrid plant, and this process is called as somatic hybridization or protoplast fusion, and the hybrids which are obtained by this process are called as somatic hybrids. It helps in gene transfer between two species irrespective of their taxonomic relationship. Protoplasts are naked plant cell without the cell wall which possess plasma membrane and all other cellular components. The term protoplast was coined by Hanston in 1880. The first isolation of protoplast was carried out by Clarker using a mechanical method in 1892. Later, in 1960, Sir E.C. Cocking demonstrated that protoplasts can also be obtained by enzymatic degradation of cell walls. There are various steps involved in somatic hybridization. First is isolation of protoplast. Second is fusion of protoplast. Then selection of hybrid cells, culture of hybrid cells, and then regeneration of plants from hybrid tissues. Somatic hybridization is largely used to hybridize species and genera which are not possible to cross by conventional sexual methods. Some important applications of somatic hybridization include: it is used for production of novel hybrids. It is possible to make crosses between distant plant species and between different genera. Hybrid production is manipulated so that the desirable characteristics such as resistance to diseases, stresses, pesticides, etc., and improved protein quality, nitrogen fixation, etc., which are genetically controlled, are transferred from one species to another. Somatic hybridization enabled the development of unique hybrid plants which are impossible to achieve by conventional sexual hybridization. Most of the plants used in somatic hybridization are from family Solanaceae, which include genera such as Nicotiana, Petunia, Datura, Lycopersicum, etc. Fusion of protoplasts from different species and genera has resulted in many interspecific Oryza brachyantha, Oryza elkingeri, Oryza officinalis, and Oryza perrieri, and also intergeneric hybrids such as Pomato. A new genus, that is Solanopersicon, is obtained by fusing the protoplast of Lycopersicum esculentum, that is tomato, with Solanum tuberosum, which is potato. Somatic hybridization is a means of genetic recombination in asexual or sterile plants. The only method in which two different parental genomes are recombined among plants which cannot reproduce sexually. The protoplast of sexually sterile, that is haploid, triploid or aneuploid plants are fused to produce fertile diploids and polyploids. Example, protoplasts isolated from dihaploid Solanum tuberosum clones are fused with isolated protoplasts of Solanum brevidens to obtain hybrids of breeding value. Somatic hybridization helps in producing disease-resistant plants. Somatic hybrids obtained by fusing protoplasts from leaves of Nicotiana nasophylla with cell suspension culture protoplast of an albino mutant of cultivated Nicotiana tabacum shows potential agricultural usefulness for disease resistance in crop plants. The somatic hybrids produced are resistant to tobacco mosaic virus like its wild parent Nicotiana nasophylla. A large number of interspecific and intergeneric hybrids are created using this method. Many disease-resistant genes which are resistant to tobacco mosaic virus, potato virus X, club rot disease are transferred from one species to another. Somatic hybridization helps in providing abiotic stress tolerance in plants. It is useful in transferring stress-tolerant genes from wild relatives to high-yielding varieties of crop plants. The genes responsible for the tolerance of cold, frost, and salt are successfully introduced through somatic hybridization. When salt tolerance in Lycopersicum chasemani and cold tolerance in Lycopersicum hirsutum are integrated with cultivated tomatoes, the tomatoes get tolerance from salt and cold. After substituting Solanum acule genome by Solanum tuberosum, an increase in frost tolerance is observed. Fifth application of somatic hybridization is transfer of cytoplasmic male sterility. It is useful in transferring cytoplasmic traits from one species to another. Cytoplasmic male sterility is a maternally inherited trait which is encoded in the mitochondrial genome and can arise spontaneously due to mutation in the genome or can be expressed following cytoplasmic substitutions due to nuclear mitochondrial incompatibility. Cytoplasmic male sterility phenotypes show degenerated anthers, aborted pollens, carpelloid and petaloid stamens. It is possible alternative for gene transfer from wild relatives to crops by combining both nuclear and cytoplasmic genomes of two distantly related species, genera, or even tribes. Somatic hybridization helps in improvement in quality characters. Somatic hybrids for the production of high nicotine content in Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica and low erucic acid in Brassica napus and Eruca sativa is obtained using somatic hybridization process. Although somatic hybridization is a novel approach in plant biotechnology, it has certain limitations. It does not always produce plants that give fertile seeds. Regenerated plants obtained from somatic hybridization are variable due to somaclonal variations, chromosomal elimination, organelle segregation, etc. Some of the somatic hybrids, when produced by fusion of taxonomically different partners, are unbalanced and not viable. There is no certainty about the expression of any specific character in somatic hybridization, and such hybrids have many undesirable traits of wild or unrelated species. Somatic hybridization between two diploids result in the formation of an amphidiploid which is not favorable. Intergeneric and intertribal hybrids exhibit high degree of sterility and cannot be backcrossed with cultivated species. These are the references used for the preparation of this module. This is an additional reference. Thank you.